This protocol presents a novel approach for evaluating the coordination of the visual, somatosensory, and vestibular systems and related muscle activation required to maintain postural stability. This technique can be used to perform a comprehensive investigation of the neuromuscular control for chronic ankle instability through the combination of computerized dynamic posturography and related muscle activity. This method could also be used to explore postural stability and related muscle activity in other conditions, such as neurologic or musculoskeletal system disorders. Before beginning an analysis, turn on the CDP system and complete a self-calibration to confirm that the instrument is operating at a 100 Hz sampling frequency. In the software, double-click Balance Manager System, Clinical Module, and New Patient. Input the participant name, height, ID, weight, and age, and select Assessment, Sensory Organization Test, Motor Control Test, Adaption Test, Limits of Stability, and Unilateral Stance. Turn on the Surface EMG system and double-click the EMG Motion Tools icon. Specify the trigger signals and establish the participant ID,